Welcome to Sigma Equipment. Today's equipment demonstration involves a Cleveland KDM-40-T 40-gallon steam kettle. This specific kettle is equipped with an agitator motor fixed to the top of the unit. The agitator motor is running on a 480-volt system, while the tilt motor is running on a 120-volt system. This unit is jacketed, which means that the operator can control the temperature of the product inside. The jacket only covers the bottom 2/3 of the kettle and is heated using steam through the intake valve on the bottom of the tank. The agitator used on this kettle is a scrape agitator, which has an adjustable speed up to 60 Hz. This unit also includes a power tilt, which helps empty product out of the top of the kettle. It is recommended that the kettle frame be bolted to the floor due to the weight of the agitator. There is also a discharge valve at the bottom of the kettle to empty product out from the bottom. To learn more about this kettle and other equipment, please visit us at sigmaequipment.com.